Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone on your phone, Samsung Galaxy S9. So let's start with the fact that the phone is turned off. It's not turned on. Never clean your phone while it's on. You could damage it. For cleaning we need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure so that it first softens the dirt for us and then evaporates without leaving any trace. We need a brush with flexible bristles, and the bristles should be soft or medium hard. Otherwise it will scratch your phone. You can buy both of these things as a set, Amazon Allegro. Or you can just use a toothbrush as long as it's soft or medium hard, because if you use one with hard bristles, it will scratch your phone. Next, we wet the brush with alcohol thoroughly. Take the phone in your hand. The microphone is here. A tiny little hole, and we clean that little hole. 10 to 15 strokes in one direction. Then 10 to 15 strokes in the other direction, the same way. Then a few times toward the screen, and toward the back cover. To make sure the microphone is perfectly clean, it's best to repeat this process 2 to 3 times in each direction. So do 20 to 30 strokes in each direction. That way the microphone opening will be thoroughly cleaned and the microphone will work like new. After cleaning the main microphone, we can also take care of the second microphone. Here it is. This is the auxiliary microphone, which is used for noise reduction, working with the voice recorder, hands-free mode, and so on. So it's also worth cleaning it thoroughly so that both microphones are cleaned. Then the phone will actually work the way it should, just like it did when it was new. If you don't clean one of these microphones, you might still experience some issues. You'll think it's the fault of the bottom microphone, but it could actually be the top one that you didn't clean properly. So just like before, wipe the surface down roughly 10 or 15 separate times in one direction, then a few more times directly towards the screen area, and a few times towards the back cover as well. Darkness. Repeat the same process 2 or 3 times in each direction to make sure it's thoroughly cleaned. Then set the phone aside and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. After that, you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And see you in my next video.